Introduction to AWS Amplify Identity Pools. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. One of the key features of AWS Amplify is identity pools, which allow you to manage user identities and access to your application's resources. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up and using AWS Amplify identity pools. Step 1. Understanding identity pools. An identity pool is a store of user identity data, such as user IDs, passwords, and other profile information. AWS Amplify identity pools provide a secure and scalable way to manage user identities, allowing you to authenticate and authorize users to access your application's resources. Step 2. Creating an identity pool. To create an identity pool, you need to navigate to the AWS Amplify dashboard and click on the Authentication tab. From there, you can create a new identity pool by providing a name and configuring the authentication settings. You can choose to use Amazon Cognito, Facebook, Google, or other identity providers to authenticate users. Step 3. Configuring identity pool settings. Once you have created an identity pool, you need to configure the settings to control access to your application's resources. This includes setting up authentication flows, defining user roles, and configuring permissions. You can also integrate your identity pool with other AWS services, such as API Gateway and Lambda. Step 4. Using identity pools in your application. To use an identity pool in your application, you need to install the AWS Amplify SDK and import the necessary modules. You can then use the SDK to authenticate users and authorize access to your application's resources. The SDK provides a range of APIs and tools to help you manage user identities and access control. Best practices for using identity pools. When using AWS Amplify identity pools, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure the security and scalability of your application. This includes using secure authentication protocols, such as OAuth and OpenID Connect, and implementing robust access controls to protect your application's resources. You should also monitor and analyze user activity to detect and respond to security threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, AWS Amplify identity pools provide a powerful and flexible way to manage user identities and access to your application's resources. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and following best practices, you can create a secure and scalable identity management system that meets the needs of your application and users. With AWS Amplify identity pools, you can focus on building and deploying your application, while leaving the complexities of identity management to AWS.